I was just wondering if you wanted to hang out with me and smoke weed.
Nope, I'm not.
Here comes the boom.
Wait, I'm gonna
What?
get a. Can someone give
Here comes
me
the
a
boom.
revolver, please?
Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom.
Hey, arm squad!
The boom.
Arm squad!
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'm so lucky to be alive right now. Pretty sure.
Oh no. Of all the people in the world that I don't like, I'm in a room full of them.
Hi, guys.
I'm gonna go get your stuff.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! It just, did it fell in lava? Okay, thank God. Thank God. Yeah. Yeah.
Knock it.
Yeah.
Oh my fuck, bro. Don't like that guy.
He's humping the plunger!
Yeah, but now where do we go?
What?
Where do we go?
We shall go forwards. Why is there so many
Yo!
We go this way.
Because we brought like... Yeah, bro, because we brought like 20 crowbars so we can kill all the bosses.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Literally can't even.
Big
Big.
Big Daddy!
Toy!
You are my sunshine, my
Big banana. Big toilet paper. Chicken wings.
Hello? Yo, bro, there's a fucking angry. Oh yeah, and there's a chicken in there. So you know.
I see it.
Yeah. Here's a mother load of loot, by the way.
Yay!
This is where you found a lot.
I found gold. Hells yeah.
Yeah, I know, there's loads of gold.
We don't need this. We don't need this loot. We need this loot. We
Bro,
don't need this.
is my crowbar broken or something? Like, bro, you do it.
They need to fix this game!
Can it?
That'd been the second time there was a glitch.
Bro. Hello?
What a loser. No! Ah!
I know, bro.
Literally said,
Some of you are gonna die.
no! Okay, bye.
8 bullets in my shotgun. I have 8 bullets in my shotgun, so we're good.
I'll kill angler, bro. I'll kill angler.
Well, just kill anything that
For the
Why? What are you doing?
cannonball!
I usually know where it is. So
Charge my tracking device! Ah!
don't touch me again with that. It's usually in one of these rooms. Not this time. How about this one? No. Oh, crate though. Bro, you better shoot.
Ah. Ah.
Open up, I got a shouty.
I got it!
You got it? Nice. Wait, yo, what did you say again? Sorry. We got the key, we got the key.
Come on then.
Come on.
Wait, come on then. You've been sat
Open
here
it.
all night. Yay!
I've been trying to squeeze it. I think we'll run out before then.
Ah! My parents left me. Yeah! The colour thing. The flower. Cristiano Ronaldo. Suey. Yeah. Weapon of mass destruction. Yeah!
Trade revolver. I said who wants to trade so I can get a revolver.
Ooh. What up, buddy?
A33071.
Just grab all these.
I just see you. Fucking.
Oh, I just got flashbanged, bruv.
Oh my god.
Big booby.
Pick up this.
Wow! Can you see that? Hey, I have my shotgun.
Everything's been emptied.
Oh, ammo!
He took your shotgun.
Bro.
Where'd the
Give me
crate
back
go?
my shotgun.
Where'd the
Hey!
crate go?
I got this on camera.
Reporting him. Guys, everyone report him.
Yeah, but
Let me see. Fan on. Fan on. Fan on.
Whoever took my shotgun there just got reported. Have fun.
Fan on. Fan on. Fan on. Ooh, that's creepy.
No one loves you. That's why your dad left you, kid.
Hey kid, your mum should have took the pill.
That's why your dad doesn't love you.
I didn't see that. The banana guy said that.
Your mum and dad tried to drop you off on the fire station, but the fire department dropped you back off saying you're not allowed to leave trash near the place.
One, two, three. That's even more.
Can anyone
Follow
finish your revolver?
Nobody takes that.
I'm in danger. Homer fucking Simpson Walmart just stole this guy's shotgun.
Who?
Meow. Oh, I'm so dead. For your balls. There's 2 eggs. Hey, buddy, you want 2 eggs or double it and give it to the next
Bro, this
person?
won't break.
Stupid glitch!
I want to take it. My eggs.
It's rolling to the chicken. It's rolling.
Give it back to the chicken. It might be a bit.
Chicken doesn't deserve it. He deserves
Hey,
to get
says the
shot.
kid who stole the shotgun. Give it back to the
I
chicken.
did not steal the shotgun.
What the hell fell out his back then?
Bro,
A
why
fucking
ammo?
mesh
Why did you
out.
buy ammo? There's 8 bullets in it.
Then I started to realise he's lying. He just wants that kid to waste his ammo because the kid stole his shotgun.
I reloaded that shit with 8 bullets. Kill the chicken.
Can you? Uh-oh, did I do that?
I swing from the chandelier.
I'm gonna swing from the chandelier.
I'm going to radio.
She smells like onion rings and her teeth are green. And I knew she was the one.
down.
She turned around. There was a fart. It was loud.
Monkey banana.
Bananas assemble.
My crowbar.
Crowbar. Wait,
Oh.
where did your crowbar go? Oh, you got it. Yippee.
It's here. Cost a lot of money for one crowbar.
Hey, who wanted a crowbar? Here you go, buddy. Here you go.
You know what? Wait, I think
Oh,
I just have
mission
to
completed.
play music on our scene. Yep, give me it. Yep, mission
Yay!
completed.
Copyrighted music. Fuck. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Beep. 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 Beep.
Yeah, keep pressing it. It's a bit of this.
Titus, on a scale of 1 to 10, how constipated are you right now?